Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you now how to turn on or enable messaging tools to Facebook professional mode. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on three slider from the top. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to professional mode right here. Go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on messaging tool. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you turn on this button right here. Get messaging tools for professional mode. Grow your audience. Highlight important charts. Availability of tools. Changes to new charts. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on turn on right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Facebook app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.